Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here with me is a timer socket. It is an automatic timer socket that on and off on its own. First of all, I'm going to unbox my timer socket. I'm going to be showing you how to set your timer socket. First of all, you reset your timer socket. Now, as you can see, my timer socket is reset. Now, what am I going to do next? I'm going to hold on to this clock, then select week. Today is Wednesday, of course. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then after that, I'm going to click on this hour. Then this is when I'm inputting the time, the particular time. 15, that's 2:20. So this is the time I'm going to input my time, which is 3:29. So I'm going to be tapping on this hour. This is 3. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'll move to my minutes, which is this one. I'll press, already is 3:29 already. So I'm going to make it like 3:32 or 3:40. So let's go. Okay. Now this is done. What am I going to do next? I'm going to program. Now the first stage, I have finished setting up my timer socket. So I need to set up the next one, which is on the time that my timer socket is going to be on. If any appliances like fridge, TV or AC is being plugged to this timer socket. Now let's go. This time around, I don't need to click on this clock again because I have done the background setting. So what I'm going to do next is just tap on this week. Okay, enter the program, and now I want to set when my TV is going to on its own. Now just click on week, tap on week. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And Wednesday, what am I going to do now? Remember when I was setting my timer socket, the time I used was 3:40. So now I'm going to use more than the time I had more than the time I. Okay. Now this is when I want my timer socket to always on any appliances plugged to this and supply this power supply. I'll just click on this switch, and today is. This might don't carry me go for Thursday. Okay, today is Wednesday. So now I'm going to put, initially when I was setting the timer socket, I used 3:40. So now I'm going to input 3:50. So once it's 3:50, any appliances plugged to this timer socket will on automatically on its own without me turning on the stove. So now I'm going to set Wednesday. Then the time. Then the minutes. So I'm using 3:50. So now what am I going to do is I'm going to program this time. That's to show you that once it's 3:50, my device will be on, my fridge will be on, anything plugged to this. So now off. I need to also set the time. So for the time when that appliances will off is from 3. Okay, the time that my appliances will go off on its own is going to be. Anything you're doing, make sure you check the week, the day that you're setting that particular time. Then immediately I'll use I put my minutes, I put my hour, that is still 3 o'clock. Then I'll come to my minutes, I'll insert my minutes, the time it will go off. Initially when anything will go on is going to be at 3:50. Now when it's going to off, it's going to be at was it 3:56. It should definitely go off. So like this now, I'm going to be doing the practical aspects. So I'm going to plug my timer socket to my extension, then plug my phone once it's time for it to start charging and when it's time to go off. So let's see the outcome of it. As you can see now, I want to charge my phone with the timer socket. Now I finished plugging my phone. It's not yet time. The time that is showing here is the background setting time, which I did. But now once it is 3:50, that is when my phone will start charging, because that is the main time I imputed on the timer socket for it to start on. And you also see when the timer socket is going to go off. So just be patient, stay with me so that you can see the process. Okay, I'm still waiting for my time to I'm just waiting for my timer socket to start charging my phone. So let's wait patiently. It will come up at the particular time. So this is 3:49. Still remaining 1 minute. Okay, this is 3:50. Now my phone is now charging because this is the exactly time imputed on the timer socket. So if you are using this timer socket, even if you're tired from work, you don't need to get up and start offing your fridge, on your TV. Just relax, do the setting, and it will come up on its own. Now let's wait for when my phone will stop charging, like to off on its own, so that you understand how the timer socket is being used. Okay, I'm still waiting for my timer socket to go off on its own. Okay, it's still charging. I'm waiting for time. It's almost time, but let's see if the timer socket would go off on its own, as we said earlier. Still waiting, and there's a red light there on the timer socket, so it will go off once it's time. Okay, 4 minutes to go off. This is 3:55. Just 1 minute to go. Almost. Okay, now my phone has stopped charging. If you can see, this light that was showing it is not on again, it's off. So this is 21st century. We are in a modern century now. You don't have to get up and do this. Just sit in your house. Maybe when you forget to off your TV, it will definitely go off on its own. You're missing, if you're not using timer socket. Try and get one for yourself, and you'll just thank me later. Bye.